Load your family into the 2016 Nissan Murano. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as cruise control, leather upholstery, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a blind spot monitoring system, heated and ventilated seats, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.